York, Detroit, Michigan, right in the middle here in southwestern Ontario. I don't know if maybe with Mike you had your first contact on FM. He's the owner of the repeater here. I'm coming in on a Yaesu FT-DX10D, and the repeater is tuned up really well, and that's doing all the work today with the firepower there. Mike's got a good system here, a quad band system there. Go ahead.
Yeah, excellent. Appreciate that. Wow. This is going to sound crazy, but are you on vertical polarization, or is a repeater vertical polarization or horizontal? Can you elaborate on that?
Yeah, the repeater, the transmitters are super high gain modified, high gain super penetrators from the 1970s, and they're vertical. Yeah, they're vertical ground plane antennas. I think are they collinear? I think they're collinear. And there's two transmit antennas. I want to say there's two, and three receivers on 10 meters as well. Go ahead.
Yeah, Roger. Thank you for the info. I'm just simply working with my DX10 here, FTDX-10, on my off-center fed dipole I use for a single sideband. So I guess it's working for me. I don't have a 10 meter vertical here yet, but looking to get one. Anyways, thank you for the contact this morning. I appreciate the repeater being there, and you're a solid 20 over. And really enjoy listening into this repeater here. So with that, I'll say 7-3, and I'll continue to monitor. And back to you there, Victor Echo 3, Mike November X-Ray. This is W4KWS.
Okay, really good. The OCS is doing just fine. You're rock solid into it. That last go around, no QS Baker whatsoever. So it's doing just fine. You get a good polarization flip on 10 meters in the ionosphere anyway, and you're clearly doing that. So good stuff. Yeah, keep an ear out for us in Florida. We like to know when the conditions are going north to south as well, rather than just wintertime mode east to west. So yeah, enjoy it. Make contacts. We're just gabbing here a bit, having some coffee. So
that's Victor Echo 3, Mike November X-Ray.
W4.
Okay, come on.
I think it's a KWS, Victor Echo 3, Mike November X-Ray in London, Ontario.
Yep, you got the call sign. I know it's a little confusing at times, but all right, well, thank you. And again, 7-3. This is W4KWS monitoring. Tremendo repetido. Excellent repeater. Carrier drop.